Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be talking about on-page SEO, and I'm going to be using the plugin Rankmaths. So I'm actually in my plugin page, so I'm going to show us the plugin. Now this is the Rankmaths. I have the pro version installed. So this is the Rankmaths SEO and the Rankmaths SEO Pro. Well, for this tutorial, whether you have the Rankmaths Pro installed or the Rankmaths SEO, the light version installed, is still going to work fine. So I'll just advise you stick to the end of this video. Do not miss any part of it so that you will not miss the tips I'm going to be sharing concerning on-page SEO for WordPress bloggers. So all you just need to do is to proceed and install the rank maths, and to do that you can just click on add new. When you go to your plugins page, you see the add new button here. Just click on it and search for rank maths SEO and install it, and you are ready to go. So we all know that there are different kinds of SEO. We have technical SEO, we have on-page SEO, we have off-page SEO, but for this tutorial we are going to talk about on-page SEO. Now, SEO is what actually makes your articles to rank on the Google search engine. You can also rank on Yandex, on Bing, but the main focus here is to have to rank our articles on Google Search Console, or Google search engine rather, and also get instant indexing. So if you have your rank maths installed, the first tip I'll be sharing with us to get our on-page SEO right is to set our permalink. So how do we do that? We'll click on a navigation button here. Then we'll try to set our permalink. So this is our permalinks. You can see it here. You click on settings, then you go to permalinks. You click on permalinks. Now there's a default setting that comes with the permalink, a default one, I think, which is the plain. But for on-page SEO, the permalink setting that works very fine is this one. Post name is the best that works for on-page SEO and ranking. This works best. Post name. So if yours is not on post name, you just go and change it to post name. And if you use any other permalink and you change to this, it's going to affect your URL, and you are going to be getting 404 error. So all you need is to redirect. You have to redirect it to home page. So that is what you do if you are getting 404 error after changing to post name. Just install redirect plugin, install a redirect button, and all will be redirected to home page. Or if your posts are not many, you can actually redirect to the new permalink or the links you've created for your post or pages or categories and all of that. So if you are done with the permalink setting, the next thing we need to go is to our posts now. So my last post that I did on page SEO for, I think I was getting almost an 83 or an 83 score over 100, which is fair enough. I think is this one, 5 tips on how to succeed in college. So let's take a look at it. So there are things you need to do to rank your article on the search engine. And don't forget, you are also going to do keyword research. Keyword research is also necessary. So I did my own keyword research, and the search volume for this title or this keyword here is low, so I had to go for it so that I can rank either on page 1 or probably page 2. So let's check my score for this. You can see my on-page SEO score is 83 over 100. 83 over 100. Now, the first thing to do is to get your keyword or your title. After you've done your keyword research and you've got your title, the next thing to do is to ensure that that title appears in your content 3 to 4 times. Now, let's check the suggestions Rankmaths is giving me here. Now, these are the suggestions. Now, for the on-page SEO, Rankmaths will give you 4 categories, 4 different categories: the basic SEO, the additional, the title readability, content readability. So for the basic SEO, let's see what we have there. You say for the first one, hooray, you're using your focus keyword in your SEO title. You understand? So the title of your content must contain, now this is my focus keyword, 5 tips on how to succeed in college. You can see it's appearing in the title of my content. Is appearing here. So you have to ensure it appears there. Then the next one is focus keyword used inside SEO meta description. Now, to edit this, now the meta description is in this place. You just have to click on it, click on the edit snippet. Then you can see that my focus keyword is also here. So you have to ensure your focus keyword is also displayed here. You can see it's already in my permalink. You also have to ensure that your focus keyword is also in your permalink. You can see it here, 5 tips on how to succeed in college. So let's check another one. You can also see that focus keyword is in URL. That is what I just stated. So you have to ensure your focus keyword is in your URL. Then another one is for focus keyword to appear at the beginning of your content. Now, for this article, my focus keyword is not appearing at the beginning of the content. So you can try in your own way to ensure that your focus keyword appears in in the beginning of your content. Now, the next one is focus keyword is found in the content. Yes, you have to ensure it appears 3 to 4 times in your content for your focus keyword. Then your content should be nothing less than 600 words above. You can see I'm not getting a green here, but it is marked. It means it's a good job, and that is why I'm getting a good job here. So the next one is the additional. Now you can see that focus keyword is found in subheadings. Now, if this my focus keyword that I actually added to my content, I had to ensure they are found in subheadings. Now, if I click on this now, you will see that it has a H3 heading. It has a H3 heading. Now let me show you. You can see H3. I added it to header 3. So you have to add your focus keyword to a heading. To do that, you just have to highlight this, and when you click on this place, you just click on any of the headings you want. It's as simple as that. Then what again? The next one is focus keyword found in image alt attribute. Now, you don't just write a content without adding an image. So you have to add an image. So, and not just add an image, you have to ensure your focus keyword is also added to the image alt alternative attribute. So if you click on this image now, and I click on this pencil-like icon, which is edit, and I click on edit, you will see that you can see the alternative text I'm talking about. You can see that my focus image, sorry, my focus keyword is added there. So you have to ensure you add it there. Then the next one will be, let's check. The next one will be keyword density is 1.1. Focus keyword and combination appears 8 times. So like I said, you have to ensure your keyword appears 3 to 4 times and above in your content. And you have to make it appear like, you have to make it constructive, not like you just write you put it anyhow in the content. Now, Google's core update now emphasize on creative content, educative content. So you don't just have to carry the focus goal and put it anywhere. You have to make sure it appears where it is supposed to appear, and it's not appearing when it's not matching with the statement for which it is appearing. No, you have to make it constructive and educative. So URL is 58 characters long. Kudos. You have to ensure your URL is short and precise. 58 to 60 words are enough. So great, you are linking to an external resource. So when you write a post, you have to ensure you are linking to an external resource. For this article, I'm linking to Nairaland. You can see here, I'm linking to Nairaland. So then you have to also link to your own article. An external link with a do follow found. Yes, the external link I'm linking to is actually a do follow link. So you have to also consider that. Don't link to no follow link. No, it will not make it will affect your SEO. So link to do follow links. Then you are linking to other resources on your website. Ensure you are linking to other resources on your website. So I have other articles that I've written that I can link to, but for this article, I didn't link to another article. I actually use my image, the image that I upload here. I had to link it to this page, to the attachment page. So if you click on edit now, if you click on edit, you can actually see, let's begin. If you click on edit, there's a place where you'll be asked to link to attachment page. Now this is it. So link to attachment page. Now this is the other resources I'm linking to. So if you don't want to link to another, you don't want to link to another article or post on your blog, you can actually use your image to do the linking. So another one that we need to look at is, you haven't used this focus keyword before. You see, I've not used this focus keyword on any of my articles before. Then the last one is using AI to optimize your post. I'm not using the AI to optimize my post for now. So you can see the next one we'll be looking at is title readability. Say focus keyword used at the beginning of your SEO title. You can see they are still bringing this option here. Your title has a positive or a negative sentiment. The positive sentiment there is the positive sentiment there is high school. You understand? Then the title contains one power word. The power word there is succeed. So you have to check out for all of this when you are choosing a keyword. Then you are using a number in your SEO title. 5 tips on how to succeed in college. I think it's college and not even high school. Let me check. 5 tips on how to succeed in college is college. So the positive sentiment there is college, and the power word there is succeed. So you also have to consider then I use a number which is the 5. So you can see I was giving good marks for all of this. Sometimes you and let me bring this to your notice. You mustn't include a number in your title. You mustn't include a number. There are some contents you write that you will not include a number in your title. But when you get all the others right, you will definitely rank. So the last one is content readability. You seem to be using a table of content. It's good you always use a table of content. Now I have a plugin that automatically arranges my table of content, which is the easy table of content. That's the name of the plugin. Easy table of contents. So you can check it out. Then you are using short paragraphs. Make sure your paragraphs are short and precise. Then your content contain images and or videos. Always include images in your content. So after doing all of this, there's still another one that you need to do, which is to add a focus key, not a focus keyword, a featured image. You can see a featured image is added here. So you have to ensure you add a featured image to your post, which will be displayed for your users or to your users. Then another last tip I'll be sharing with you is every subheading, every subheading you get in your post, add it below your focus keyword. Now, these are subheadings within my post. Now, I said 5 tips on how to succeed in college, right? Then I said one of the tips is develop skills that are vital to your coursework. Educate, evaluate your learning method is another one. Turn every long-term plan into short-term plan. That is another one. Know your purpose and qualities. You understand? So these are some of the tips. So you have to include them in your. You have to also include them as keywords. You understand? That is what you need to do. Then you also have to write or include other keywords that are related to the title. How to succeed in college relates to 5 tips on how to succeed in college, how to succeed in high school or anything. You can just add other keywords to it. If you are using the light version of the rank math, you can only add 5. I'm using pro, so I can add any amount I want. So you can see at the end of all of this, I got 83 over 100 for this article. There are some articles I get 87, 85, 81, 90, like that. It depends. So when you are done with this and you get a good score, trust me, you will rank for that article. So that is how to do on page SEO using rank maths. On page SEO using Rankmaths. If you do not understand any part of the video, I will advise you watch it again. I will advise you watch it again. And if you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and drop a comment. Thank you.